Thank you for shopping at Chris Leith Automotive, voted the best place in the Triangle to buy a new vehicle for the second year in a row. Check out our online reviews. It's like Chris Leith says, don't just tell people how good you are. Show them we finance, we ship, and we would love to look at your trade-in. Call or come by and experience the Chris Leith difference. We'll see you soon!